So let's make an output in HTML. First you have to decide the interface, how it would look like. Let's suppose I'm saying that's the table and I'm just referring to a border, adding another attribute like width and the cell padding as we have done in the HTML part. So now I want to show the index here, okay, and I want to show the value after that index. So do not mess your mind with that. We have to keep it copy paste, because when you are using loop, so your code will generate it automatically rather than you will copy paste. So now I'm moving to the next syntax. The syntax is I'm just keeping this and entering a PHP tag and pasting here. I'm not going to print this output in a echo form. I'm just printing this value like this away. I will put a colon here and end this for each loop after this row. Same as we did before the end if, end while, and for, and on. Okay, so the I will be indexed here like this, and the V will be indexed here like this. So this is the simplest and the shortest thing to do the for each in the HTML. Otherwise you will get confused to put the all rows here, all the table here, and it will make a mess and errors. So now I'm going to here. So see that this output is shown into the table. But you can, if you are understanding the bootstrap concept, so why not we can keep it into a card. We can keep it into the card, right? So maybe we also have a image. So why not we can put image here, like image not image tag. I'm just referring to the image source. I'm just having a folder here, and let's suppose I said that img and the image path image / moist.jpg, and it will give you an error. Why? This is saying that it's a syntax error because I missed a comma here. See that one comma, another comma, another comma, another. Last one is the without comma. Maybe you can put a comma here, but do not put a semicolon here. You only have to put a comma here. Otherwise, it will give you an error, and that will not show any output there. So this is the basic concept. I don't want to show the image here. I want to show image tag here. I want to show a image tag. So now this is the main thing. I will put a condition there. Hey, if my index is img, so you have to make a image tag. You understand? If you want to show the image in the first, so you can keep this into the top. The same thing, you have to put a comma here, and then after the image will be in the top. So here I will put an image, but where my image is, so let me just open this image and paste this image to my folder. Let's suppose this is another image, and I'm just pasting here. The name is .jpeg. Do not worry about that. When we have a database, so our data will be came from the databases. I'm just referring to a simple model. Now this is the main thing. We will keep this little bit more big, the tag of td, if I double equals to img, because my index will be, if my index will be img, so you have to print a image. Understand? Otherwise you have to print the v value, and this v value now will be in the echo form because I'm not putting end if and the other stuff. So there will be source src equals to double quotation, single quotation, and the path. What does the path is v, and I can also keep the width of 80 and height of 80. I'm just giving you a concept that if the loop is running, so how you can validate that with the different conditions. If my condition is audio, let's suppose if my condition was audio, so what I will do, I will make an audio tag there. So the key depends what is happening. The key is depending I said that hey, if my I mean index is image, so you have to put a image, otherwise you have to give the value simple. Okay.